I'm making a short video to highlight this absolutely wonderful Vacheron Constantin automatic watch with date. And this comes from the Patrimony line, reference 48002. It's solid 18 karat gold, wonderful condition. It's almost like new. I really like the dial. It's a nice, crisp, clean white. Keeps excellent time, and again, it is an automatic. And it's a very thin watch for an automatic, but it has some nice weight to it. It weighs approximately 39 grams, so you can feel the watch on your wrist, which is nice. It comes with, bear with me, all of the original paperwork and guarantee cards. And all of the serial numbers match the serial numbers on the watch, which is also good. Also comes with the original Vacheron Constantin leather case. Very, very nice. So in summary, a wonderful newer model Vacheron Constantin Patrimony solid 18 karat gold fully automatic watch with date in beautiful condition. And it does have the original solid 18 karat gold Vacheron Constantin buckle as well. The strap is a replacement, but it does match the watch very, very nicely. Take care.